Hi, I'm Tim Clover. A friend asked if PricePoint could really build a full, flat-rate invoice in under a minute. Let's find out. The job: a jammed disposal, a flooded sink, and a faucet replacement. Timer starts now. First, we grab our customer. Fast and local. No cloud lag here. Into QuoteMagic. We'll add our destination fee first to cover travel time. Now the dirty work. We'll add the sink bailout, the drain clear, and the disposal repair. These tasks were developed by a flat rate expert, so the pricing is already set. The customer wants a pro recommendation? We'll add the Delta 440 from our faucets page. Done. Save, print, and preview a professional, itemized flat rate invoice in under 60 seconds. Total transparency for the customer, and you're already moving to the next job. That's PricePoint.